So Indian-born Parag Agrawal recently became Twitter's new CEO, and the moment it was announced, हम Indians फूले नहीं समाए. Social media was abuzz with how incredible Indians are and how major tech companies around the world have Indian CEOs. But my question is, if a dozen of the top CEOs in the world come from a country with 18% of the world's population, why should we be surprised or proud? Isn't this brain drain at its finest? See, it's not a secret that most of the IITians who graduate dream of going to the land of opportunities, that is the US. For majority of the IITians, the entire goal of going to the IITs is to leave India and go abroad. See, people like Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella and now Parag Agrawal became CEOs on their own merit at companies which identified and acknowledged their potential and gave them a platform to shine. और अगर इंडिया में ही ऐसी opportunities और ऐसा conducive environment होता, do you think they would have left India in the first place? I think problem यहाँ ये है कि जो हमारा education system है ना, वो सिर्फ rote learning based है, जिसकी वजह से we can only produce good engineers who then on become good managers and not successful entrepreneurs or risk takers. Remember, these tech CEOs didn't start their own companies. They took over the reins of already successful companies. See, the problem also lies with our mindset कि भाई engineering करके एक बढ़िया सी MNC में नौकरी करने का है, अच्छी सैलरी कमानी है, that's it. Entrepreneurship को काफी हल्के में लेते हैं because we inherently are not risk takers. We Indians always want to play safe because taking a risk is too much of a hassle. That's why we need to ask this question, that why we're not able to create an environment wherein the brightest of our country's minds don't leave the country in the first place. There's a reason why since 2015, as many as 6 lakh Indians have given up their citizenship to be citizens elsewhere. In fact, 1990 में 7 million Indians overseas रहते थे. Cut to 2017, 17 million Indians migrated out of India, a 143% increase. This brain drain has been going on for the last 50 years and has been the subject of much debate in India. People ask, and quite legitimately, why India should educate Indians at subsidized rate only to see them serve the US. But you know who should be really proud? The Chinese. Because Chinese people did not need to go to the US to rise to the top. They were able to create success stories for themselves sitting in China. And unlike Indians who are merely CEOs of companies founded by Americans like Google, Microsoft and Twitter, the Chinese entrepreneurs founded world-beating companies in China, such as Alibaba, Tencent, Didi, Xiaomi, Great Wall Motors, Huawei, ZTE, Foxconn and many others. And when Indians do that, I'll join the party. Yes, I'm thinking aloud, but what do you think? Tell me in the comments below, and for more such videos, keep watching India Times.